Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to give you guys a quick tutorial video on how to do a Hello World program in Delphi, and in the description will be a link to a Pirate Bay torrent for you guys to download Delphi version 7. So I'm going to go to Start, go to Delphi, Start, Delphi, and you're going to right click on it and click Properties after you install it, of course, and go to Compatibility and make sure you're running it as Windows XP Service Pack 3 and you run it as an administrator. And then you'll click OK, go back and search up Delphi, run it, and then click Run Program. And then it'll appear at the bottom. Okay, now each time that mine starts, this happens. I don't know if this will be the case for you or not, so I'm just going to close all this here and go to File, New, Application, and you're going to want to not save changes to Project 1. Okay, so now you got a new application here, and for the caption, let's just go ahead and type in Hello World. And you can change the border style. Right now, let's go to Run. Well, actually, you can click this icon right here. And this is what it looks like right now. You can resize it. When I make a program, I don't like it to be resized by the user because usually there's content on it that I don't want the user to, size down and then not see it. So what I like to do is I like to change my border style to border style dialog. And I'm going to change the background color to, change it to black. Let's see here. You know what? I think you can just go ahead and type in CL black. CL black. Okay, so there we go. Now we got that. I think a while back when I edited a TeamSpeak with a hex editor, you can actually change the background color of TeamSpeak, and it had these names like CL Black. So I think that TeamSpeak 2 was coded in Delphi or Delphi. I don't know how the hell to say it. I think it's Delphi. But so yeah, so far we got this here, and up at the top you'll notice you have these here. You have a label, which that makes a label here, and let's just change the background of it to gray so you can actually see the text. And then you also have a button here. And that looks like that. And then we have, where is it? Here we go, a text box. Okay, so I'm just going to change the name of this. You gotta scroll. Never mind, here it is. I'm going to change it to TXT Hello. And I'm going to change the name of the label to LBL Hello. So we have LBL Hello, and then we have TXT Hello. And then we have a button here. I'm going to drag this stuff up here. And I'll resize this. Now, you can change the color of this to make it sort of match. I'll make it a gray color. There, that looks better. And you can change the caption of the button. I'll change it to, let's see, click here. Okay, now I'm going to double click on it. And right here you'll see you've got this, and then your form sort of, I guess my form disappeared here. Oh no, never mind, there it is. So double click the button, and then you can type in pretty much anything that you want to. But for this tutorial, since you probably don't know too much, I'm going to type in txt hello.text. Okay, so basically, I'm just going to give this a test run here. So you see how that updated it right there. Now I'll close it. And so pretty much the syntax of this is a little bit different than Visual Basic 6. Not too much, but I have noticed that you cannot do quotes for the program. So otherwise it shows you, And what I like about Delphi is that it actually shows you what errors you have before you start clicking on things. Like, I know that sometimes, I think in VB6, it'll run your program, and then once you click something, it'll give you an error. Here, it actually shows you what the error is. So, like, while you're running it. But, anyways, yeah, there are shortcuts to do things. I think that, I don't remember, it might be F5 in Visual Basic to run something quick, but here it's F9. So you can press F9, or you can click this icon here. Looks like a play button. So you click that, and that happens. Now, it's pretty much the same thing for a label. So remember, we named it LBL, hello, but you gotta type in caption. And then you can do the colon equals, and then we'll change this to example also. And so you go up here, and you go ahead and click this, and you see it updates that and this. And you can also, you can see the names of everything here. So the button, that's button 1, this is form 1, the whole thing. So let's go ahead and change the caption of button 1, caption, and then colon equals example, and then we'll change form 1 caption also. I don't know if you can change form 1 caption. Okay. So equals example. Alright, so then I'm going to go ahead and give this a test now. Run it, and yeah, so you see everything changes to example. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, since I promised you it would be a Hello World program, I'll change everything to Hello World. Okay, so then you run it, and now everything says Hello World. So this is your first Hello World program in Delphi. And, oh, my phone's going off. Okay, so you want to go to File, Save Project As, and this is my folder right here. It's called Example. But we're gonna, you should start off in a folder that looks like this. It should say all this. It should say NET, SCP, and it should say all those. It might not, but you should be inside of bin. And you want to make a new folder, and you're gonna name this folder Hello World. And then we'll open it, and then we can save into here all our stuff. And then if you go ahead and run it, it should compile it into an exe, and then you can go to Open Project, and you'll notice you're in here. You can right click and click on, I'll just do Properties, and then you can select the location of the file and copy it and run, and then you're inside of here, and you'll notice there's an exe. You run the exe, and there's your executable file for you to send your friends. You click it, everything says Hello World. And so there you go. I hope this tutorial was informational. I hope it helped you. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask in the comments. Thanks. Have a nice day.